What happened, Mike? Looking tensed.
What should I tell, George? I'm in great tension. Last time cotton, groundnut, soybean and mango. None of the harvests were good. Efficient rain was there and there was no scarcity of water. Seeds were also of high quality and organic fertilizers were also used.
Organic fertilizer? What organic fertilizers were used?
The one which is available in the neighboring shop.
Understood. Then also your harvest was not that good. Seeing the results of using regular organic fertilizers. If you want to best harvest like gold, use New Leaf Pellets Organic Fertilizer, which is made with modern technology. Last year, I gave this suggestion to Harry also. And then miracle happened. Look, Harry has also arrived.
Harry, tell us about the miracle of
Leaf Pellets Organic Fertilizer. New Leaf Pellets Organic Fertilizer is a different type of organic fertilizer made with modern nanotechnology, which shows fast results and provides all nutrients from beginning till the end of the harvest. It is complete fertilizer made of aloe vera, seaweed, alpha, rock phosphate, neem oil cake, castor oil cake, bentonite powder, vermicompost, cow and chicken manure, silicon, cocoa peat, natural amino acid, natural micronutrients, bioash and effective bacteria. This fertilizer maintains the pH of soil and provides all necessary nutrients to the land, such as primary nutrients, nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium, secondary nutrients, sulfur, calcium, magnesium, micronutrients like iron, manganese, zinc, boron, silicon, copper. It also provides many growth hormones and trace elements. All types of nutrients are sucked from the roots, so the proportion of chlorophyll increases and crop becomes healthy, clean, and that too within 10 days. New Leaf Pellets Organic Fertilizer increases strength in crops to fight against insect diseases. This kind of fertilizer can be used for any type of crops, like in fruits, mango, chiku, guava, lychee, banana, watermelon, kharek, sugarcane. All types of vegetables like onion, garlic, cabbage, chili, coriander, bottle gourd, tomato, brinjal. All type of grains like wheat, millet, corn, jowar, sesame, soybean, groundnut, cotton. This fertilizer can be used for greenhouse, polyhouse, all types of flowers and also in plant nursery. New Leaf Pellets Organic Fertilizer can be used in any type of land and kind of crop. This fertilizer can be used before growing or afterwards in any stage. Now I will also use New Leaf Pellets Organic Fertilizer only.
Understood. It shows fast results and stays together for a long time.
New Leaf Pellets Organic Fertilizer. For all purpose, be smart.